हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, द टू पार्टिकल्स ईच ऑफ मास m and charge q are attached to two ends of a light rigid rod of length 2r. So let us make the figure. What figure is given? This length is 2r, okay, and the mass is m. Here the mass is m and charge is q. Here also the mass is m and charge is q. Right. The length is 2r. The rod is rotated at a constant angular speed about the perpendicular axis passing through center. So let us see. Suppose some axis is there and it is rotating about this direction with constant angular speed. Let us take omega. Although it is not given. Axis, right. You have to find the ratio of magnitudes of magnetic moment of the system at its angular momentum. So let us take the magnetic moment. I will take here m, and as you all know, magnetic moment is equal to I into A. Okay, so let us see how much I will be there. I know I will be frequency into total charge. So I can say here the frequency into total charge. So total charge is how much? See, 2q. So this becomes 2q, and area will be how much? See, the radius is r, so this becomes pi r square. Okay, now frequency will be how much? As you all know, right, as you all know, 2 pi f is equal to omega, so f is equal to omega upon 2 pi. So I can replace the value here f, so this becomes omega upon 2 pi into 2q. So this becomes the current, and I into A, that is pi r square. This will give you the magnetic moment. So you can easily see this pi will get cancelled out, this 2 will get cancelled out from here, and now you are getting omega q r square. So this is the magnetic moment. Let us call this is equation 1. Now, okay, now I need to find the angular momentum. So let us call the angular momentum as L. So L is equal to I into omega. Okay, so what is the moment of inertia? You can easily see for this particle, moment of inertia about this axis is mr square, and once again for this a small m, moment of inertia will be mr square. So that becomes 2mr square. This becomes I into omega. So this becomes L. Now it is right. Okay, now it is saying the ratio of magnitudes of magnetic moment. So the ratio of magnitudes of magnetic moment of the system. So all I need to find is m upon and its angular momentum about the center of rod. So m upon L you have to find. So magnetic moment is C, how much from the equation 1? Omega q upon r square, and this becomes 2m r square omega, right? So omega will get cancelled out, r square will get cancelled out, and you are getting the answer q upon 2m. So see which option is coming. You can see A. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.